Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today my topic is a cylinder. Okay. So when we discuss about the cylinder, so first of all we see which type of a cylinder. Okay. What is cylinder? So cylinder is the one piece of a pipe. Your cylinder is just like this pen and this is three-dimensional shape. And today we will discuss about the curved surface area of a cylinder and total surface area of a cylinder. Okay, and again one thing more, area of a glass. So today we will discuss about the three topic on the same thing, that is cylinder. So let us see how to make the cylinder and how to calculate the area of the cylinder. So let's come surface area of cylinder. First of all we see what is cylinder. So cylinder is a one piece of a pipe. So this is a right circular cylinder. Why this is a right circular? Because when we make a perpendicular on the radius, then it passes through the center of the cylinder. So guys, this is the cylinder. Okay, this is center of the circle O and this is side of the circle and edge of the cylinder. This is A and this is B, other part of the other end of the pipe, the other end of the piece of the pipe. So guys, the height is represented by H and the radius is represented by R and this is small r. Right? So this is a cylinder and this cylinder is maybe solid or maybe hollow. So guys, this is a pen. This is just like a cylinder. But if we have to calculate the area of this pen or this cylinder, then we have some formulas. First of all, we see the base of this pen or base of the cylinder is just like a circle. Which type of this base? This is a circle, and guys, radius of this circle is just like a R. Okay, this is OA and the radius is a R. Now our first thing, curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder, this is equal to, now what is curved surface area? So if we have radius of a circle is R, then guys we discuss about the curved surface area. So what is curve? Curve means the area of the outer part of the cylinder, excluding both base. Excluding means we will not join or we will not add the area of both edge. So this is curved surface area. So first of all, to get the curved surface area, we know about the radius of the circle and circumference of the circle. Circumference means length of the base, length of the whole circle. This is the circumference. So guys, we know the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. And when we put number of circle on number of circle one by one, then we get a cylinder. Let the number of circle make a cylinder with height h. Then what is the curved surface area? Guys, you know very well, we need two sides to calculate the area. So here how many sides? First side is r and second side is h. Right? Means multiplication of a length into breadth is equal to area. So here length is circumference and breadth is h. When we multiply these two things, we get the curved surface area. So length means circumference of the circle, this is 2 pi r, and breadth means height of the cylinder, this is h. So guys, this is 2 pi r h and unit is square unit. Now you see here the multiplication of a two side, this is r and second is h. So this is curved surface area of a cylinder. Now second thing is total surface area. Total surface area means when the cylinder is a solid, and you see if we have this solid pen, then how many faces it have? It have curved face, second is top, this is plane face, third is base, this is again plane face. So guys, when we add these three surface, then we get the total surface area of a cylinder. So guys, our curved surface area plus 2 times of area of the circle, then area of the circle is pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h plus how many circle? 2. 2 pi r square. When we take 2 pi r common out, then 2 pi r we have left h plus r, unit is square unit. So guys, total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r square unit. So this is a very simple way to calculate the total surface area, curved surface area plus area of the both circle. Okay. Now guys, if you see, if we have a glass just like a cylinder, and you know the upper edge, the upper end of the glass is open like the cap of this pen. Its upper part is open and lower part is closed. Then what is the area of this glass? It need only curved surface area and area of a one base, because second base is open. Okay. Now area of the glass is, this is very important part, area of a glass, area of a cylindrical glass. So this is curved surface area 2 pi r h and one area of the circle pi r square. So this is the area of the glass and unit is square unit. So the unit is a square unit. So guys, we discussed about the three part of the cylinder. First, curved surface area. Curved surface area means outer surface area of the cylinder. Second, total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder means curved surface area plus two edge or two circular part of the cylinder. Third is area of the cylindrical glass. So this is curved surface area plus the area of the one circle. So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve the related question and get maximum marks in the examination. Thank you. Have a nice day.